You'll have love at first sight with the 2022 Nissan Kicks. This spacious Kicks delivers crossover versatility with a trendy twist. You're sure to appreciate its impressive fuel efficiency, standard driver assist safety features, and comfortable cabin, and you'll love the fun factor. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, heated mirrors, keyless start, backup camera, blind spot monitor, Bluetooth connection, steering wheel audio controls, stability control, traction control, pass-through rear seat. Get plenty of room without sacrificing efficiency in this good-looking Kicks. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.